Hope you enjoy the videos and everything. Matter of fact, if you enjoy these videos so much, you want to be a part of this team, we're actually got an opening. We're growing so fast, we can't keep up. Now the channel's becoming its own business, you know, the merchandise and everything's gonna be its own. I'm getting stretched further and further thin. We have an immediate need and opening for a full-blown ASE certified technician. I need somebody that we can bring into the shop that's ready to go, that can do diagnostics, you know, is well-rounded technician, you can do everything from brakes and whatever. Somebody doesn't maybe mind doing an oil change every now and then, but somebody that's got that passion like we do. You see our videos, you see what we do here. This is what we live. This is our lives. You know, we keep a laid-back environment just like you see in the videos. We're a small shop, but we are growing, hence why we're looking for this. Give you some quick numbers. We, in 2019, set our goal for volume for the year. It was our first full year as a shop, and we pretty much hit that goal within like $1,000 for the year. 2020, last year, as crazy as that year was, we tracked 80% growth, still having a 35 to 45 or 30 to 35 to 45% margins on our tickets. This year, we've already hit 2019's volume last month in April. So we're growing like crazy. You know, we built this on a reputation. We're going to keep doing it that way. We're honest to our customers. We don't do any shady stuff here. You know, we're straight up with our customers. We treat them right and they come back. We don't do much advertising. I mean, the channel is our biggest advertising, some banners out front, and we've already done that. We actually can't really do any more advertising right now because we can't keep up with what we got. We're getting like 3 weeks to a month backed out on anything big for sure. So I'm looking for somebody to come be a part of this team. If you're cool, chilled, laid back, but you've got a great work ethic, this is all key stuff, man. I do working interviews here. So, you know, of course you do, you know, typical interview, sit down and talk with you and everything. Of course, I want to see your resume and all that kind of fun stuff. But, you know, I want to put you out in the shop and see how you work. You know, and we're a small shop here, so I need somebody that's going to work in this environment with, you know, with us here and everyone else. You know, I've got some friends that come in and help with us and stuff. I need somebody just kind of cohesive, just kind of a cool attitude. I need somebody who can do diagnostics, can do AC, you know, somebody who can do engine swaps, you know, or head, you know, or head jobs or whatever, you know, whatever we need here. I need somebody that can do that. We're ever expanding our capabilities. I'm big on training. My technician is the most important thing in my shop to me. I'm big on training. I'm big on taking care of my technicians. I'm not a salesman. I'm very much, you know, an ops kind of guy. I've always been in parts and service, so I know what a technician is. You know, that's your most valuable, you know, asset in this whole shop, and you got to take care of it. It's been a problem for years. That's what we do, things a lot differently here, you know, than your typical shops. As this grows and our plans, so we have everything from 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10-year plans. Well, 10-year plans become a 5-year plan now because we're growing so rapidly. Our, you know, some of our plans after, you know, we're thinking about adding on to this building right now immediately because just, you know, just to kind of handle the volume. We're looking for property right now to grow on to have anywhere from a 30 to 40,000 square foot facility that we can do stuff from like streetcar takeovers, you know, car shows, dyno days. We want to do that kind of cool stuff. I mean, this isn't just going to be just a straight up automotive shop. We want to have just that cool automotive environment. We'll have a training facility on site, you know, conference rooms, just a lot of stuff, you know, for our technicians, you know. You know, that whole pizza party thing, you know, for technicians is crap, man. Like, you gotta do more for your technicians and everybody in your team. What this has become is not because of me at all. What this has become is because of the team that I've surrounded myself with, the friends that have helped me and volunteered and done so much to help me to get to where this is. This isn't because of me, this is because of the team I've surrounded myself, and that's what it's going to continue to be as we grow. So if you fit that bill, if you're a technician that's, you know, well-rounded, you know your stuff, you know, like this has got to be your passion. Like if this is a job to you, be honest, don't even bother applying. I'm willing to pay, you know, we're willing to be competitive and pay. We don't have a whole lot in the benefits section right now. You know, there's some stuff we can offer. You know, with vacation, kind of stuff like that. We're working on kind of, you know, see what we can do with health insurance and everything. We're still small, but we're growing. You know, that's going to grow. It's going to be there. So if you're interested, hit us up. We've got our email address here, and call. You know, if you're here in the general area, you know, if you're within a state or two away, you know, I don't mind ponying up for, you know, some relocation costs. I'm willing to do that for the right technician, because that is key to us. It's going to be key to when we're maxed out. Like, we're literally running ragged, and that's why we're looking. So I do work in interviews here. So if you come in, you know, we'll do the typical, you know, interview kind of thing, and you know, kind of feel you out, see, you know, what kind of, you know, attitude you have, what kind of personality, you know, does it mix well with everyone we've got here that comes and goes. And I do work in interviews, so you know, we'll have a vehicle or two out here in the shop. I want you to, you know, to work on. I want to see how you work, what you do, you know, and I want you to prove to me that you've got the capabilities. You know, if I'm going to hire you, I need to know, I need to be able to rely on you. So if that's something you're interested in and want to be part of all the cool stuff, I mean, the stuff you see here on the channel is just a glimpse. Like, I'm trying to get to where I can actually do more vlogging and stuff, and where people can really see what we do here on a daily basis, some of the cool stuff we can work on. We just can't do that because I only stretch so thin. But anyways, so if you're interested in that, hit us up. Email me. We got an email address here below. We'll have the link and everything down there. I would love to hear from you. We're definitely taking applications and everything now. So those of you that aren't quite there, don't worry. As we grow, my big plan for this is that eventually we have everything from a newbie oil changer all the way up to a full-blown master technician, kind of like what we're looking at now. Because as part of, you know, there's a whole different culture here than a typical shop. Technicians are grown. You don't just find technicians and, you know, pick them out. Like, they're grown over time. They don't just come right out of the school and everything. It takes time and experience. And my goal as we grow is to where I can heads up, and we're kind of building the basic building blocks and syllabus of a training program now of how we can get young technicians in and start training them. Like the kid I got here working for me, you know, I'm training him not just on, you know, automotive stuff, which is great because we get such a plethora of different stuff here that he gets, you know, a ton of different experience in a short amount of time. He's not working on the same thing every day, but also teaching ethics and morals. We're big on that here. We're not some shady shop. We don't do that kind of stuff. We don't look out for every nickel and dime. We see what a customer needs, we get them estimates, and we put it in front of them, and we prioritize it from them. I'm not a salesman. So that method has worked, and we've tripled our volume in the past couple of years, and we're having to turn away almost big work right now because we can't keep up. You know, we're having to push it out a month, 2 months. We'd love to do some more of the LS swaps. We just can't do it right now because we're so overgrown, which is a great problem to have. But I say that, you know, for the other guys that are kind of maybe, you know, still newer techs and still getting feet, don't worry. As we grow, we're going to be looking to add more technicians across the board at different varying. I don't want to shop full of master technicians. I don't want to, you know, have to give some guy a freaking oil change because, you know, we don't have that work. I want to be able to spread out the work and grow technicians and have a nice curve. So don't worry about that. We'll eventually be looking for that, and probably more sooner than we thought. But right now, we are. Like, my biggest requirement is you've got to be ASE certified, without a doubt. I don't need any kind of like UTI, you know, experience or certifications or other schooling or something. That's all a plus. I'm looking for somebody that's got a lot of, like, you know, different certifications, different programs. I mean, of course, you need to be MAC 609 certified or whatever to handle refrigerant, because that's a big thing we do here is AC stuff. So, and you need to, I really need a good full-blown technician. I need somebody that can handle diagnostics, all that kind of stuff. So, once again, that being said, we'll have the link below where you can contact us and everything, hit us up on our email and stuff. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and hope you can be part of the team.